Hey, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. My name is Unapologetically Mocha, and I make a variety of videos from commentary to crafts to how-tos, you name it, I dabble in it. Today I am here because I wanted to do an unboxing because I got something kind of cool in the mail today. Today I got cookie. My editor's box from Darn Good Yarn. I have no idea what's in it. I haven't opened it. I was saving opening it for when I was filming. And I figured that I'll open this and you'll see what I'm getting when I see what I'm getting. So let's open the box. Scissors, here we go. Scissors. Turn the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, rig. Cooperate. I love getting boxes of goodies in the mail. For those of you that don't know, Darn Good Yarn is one of the subscription services for crafters. And they've got different ones for if you like to crochet, if you like to knit, if you quilt, if you sew. And there's different size boxes. There's a regular box, but this is a special size. It's the editor's box. So it's supposed to have additional goodies that the regular box doesn't have. So, let's see what's in the box. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. A little peek inside that. Let's see. That's just the shipping label. Oh, got some. It's their Maharaja silk beaded yarn. It's a really thin yarn, like I'm not even sure how you would describe this. It calls for a looks like a 3.5, no 4. What does it say? A 4.5 millimeter hook. Probably because you don't know you can see it, but it's got like little beads in it. You see the beads? So it's their beaded yarn, and there's 2 in this color. This would probably make like a nice shawl or a scarf. I can see making a scarf. Oh wait, there's a third one. So yeah, I should definitely, and it's, does it say how much is in it? Yeah, it's a 2. So there's 3 of those. Oh boy. There's some very interesting Barbados. No idea what I would make with this, but it's so soft. Oh my goodness! It's ridiculous how soft this is. I'm trying to see what it is. Some Carabella yarns. But that's all I know. I'll have to research that one, but that's really pretty. It's really soft. What else we got in here? So many goodies. Ooh. Some beautiful cream color merino wool. And if you've never experienced merino wool, it's lovely. It feels good. It's lovely to work with. It feels good to work with, and it feels good to wear or have on. There's one of those. Ah, wait. Yeah, second one. In the same color. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't generally make things that are this light in color, so I might give this away. Maybe in a giveaway, maybe? We'll see. What's this? Oh, a pattern book. Oh, modern weaving. Learn to weave with 25 bright and brilliant loom weaving projects. This is awesome. I mean, I have several weaving pattern books, but can you ever really have too many pattern books? No. That's nice. Like, look, like I used to make his placemat. This might be something good to make with that merino wool, actually. Merino yarn. A Navajo pattern. Interesting. Cool. I'll look at that more later. Oh, still many goodies to go. More Carabella yarn. This feels like a wool-ish. I'm pretty sure it's also a number 2. Calls for a 4 hook, so yeah. I would wager a guess this is a number 2 yarn. And a very pretty brown color. And we have it in a reddish rust color. And another reddish rust color. So 3 of these. This is neat. This is a ribbon yarn. It seems like everything is Carabella today. It's 1.92 yards. So you can make something small, but I mean a decent item with this. Enough for that to make something. And I love the color. And see, it's this ribbony kind of. Like, I could see this working up as a scarf, basically. That'd be pretty as a scarf. Like, seems like today, the theme of today is scarves, ladies and gentlemen. Some wool socks. These are very neat. They're lined. I can see how these could keep somebody's feet really, really warm. And they're the Darn Good Yarn fleece-lined wool socks. Pretty nifty. And now we have these 2 boxes. And this is a sock kit. You can crochet either a bootie or socks. I would go for the booties. And the yarn is it's number 1 super fine, and it works with a 2.25 to 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. So, what it feels like. Hair on my face, hair on my face. Oh, it's soft. Cute little cake. It's really soft. So, yeah. This is a sock kit. Change so I can get this box closed, slim to none. But I shall try my best. I'll worry about it later. And the last box in the box is another, looks like sock kit. In the same colors. So I'm going to assume so does one box make 2 socks, or does one box make 1 sock, and that's why there's 2 boxes? In case you want to find out, would be to actually make the socks. But this is cool. And the real cool thing about this one is, where did I just read that? Where is it? Where did I read it? Oh, right there. This yarn creates sustainable employment for artisans in Turkey. Our yarn is hand dyed so that each sock matches and self-stripes. So that's really neat. And you can get the pattern at darngoodyarn.com/the stitch. So this was my take, or what I got in my Darn Good Yarn editor box. Pretty nifty. And they're not kidding when they say that you get a lot of bang for your buck, because, I mean, if you've priced some of these yarns, then you know that, this is like 25 bucks. This is generally 10 to 15 for each one of these. Merino Wool ain't cheap. So, to get 2 of these in a box is pretty nifty. And then when you get into like their specialty yarns, such as this, they're not cheap either. So this is a pretty good value for, I got the box on sale for $100. So this is a pretty good deal. There's a lot of stuff here that I could probably create some pretty cool things with. And as I start creating with it, I'll check back in and let you know what I come up with. So, anyway, that's my video. Thanks for stopping. If you like the video, or me in general, go ahead and like the video. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. And I don't have a schedule for when I post videos, but I'm trying to get back into the plan of doing at least one a week. But if you're subscribed and you hit that little bell icon, it'll tell you whenever I upload, and you won't miss one of my videos whenever I decide to get around to making one. But seriously, I am going to try to go back to at least once a week. So here you go. If you have any questions about Darn Good Yarn subscriptions, leave them in the comments below. And until my next video, take care, keep crocheting, keep crafting, and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.